Hi folks, I'm at a beautiful townhouse in Carleton Place today, 55 Woodward. Look at that beautiful kitchen in the background. It just shows like new, and the backyard's got a full backyard. This is a semi, but you'd never know it. It's only joined at the garage. Pool in the backyard, full backyard. Lots of space to move around. This house features 3 beautiful bedrooms with a great primary, 2 smaller bedrooms. Basement here is beautifully finished. And there's a guest bedroom or room for multi-generational living with its own bathroom. Call me for a showing at 55 Woodward in Carleton Place. I'd be happy to help you.